Hi listeners. Welcome back to Percakapan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to listen to a short story. First part, you listen to a short story, then answer the questions based on the story you've heard. Last part, you retell the story again in your own words. Let's start listening now. Farms and factories. The Jensens are a typical American farm family. Mr. and Mrs. Jensen came from Norway many years ago and settled on a dairy farm in Minnesota. Their 4 children grew up there. The 2 boys, Olaf and Karl, helped their father take care of the farm. They plowed and planted the fields, harvested the crops and milked the cows. The daughters, Inga and Sigrid, helped their mother with the housework. There was always a lot to do and the whole family worked very hard. Today Mr. and Mrs. Jensen are old and cannot work as hard as they did when they were younger. Their son Olaf runs the farm now and his wife and children help him. The work is not as hard now as it used to be. Olaf has bought several machines which do many of the things formerly done by hand. The other 3 children have moved away. Sigrid married a farmer and lives nearby. Karl is living in Minneapolis where he has a good job as manager of a factory which makes dairy products. Some of the milk used by the factory comes from Olaf Jensen's farm. Inga went to the state university and is now teaching in a high school in St. Paul. The story of the Jensens is not unusual. Although life on the farm has changed a great deal, farming is still a necessary and very important occupation. However, city life attracts young people like Karl and Inga Jensen. Every year many of them leave the farms and take jobs in many factories which are located in or near large cities. Questions. 1. Describe the Jensen family. 2. What are some of the things that farmers do? 3. Do all of the Jensens still live on the farm? 4. What important products are made from milk? 5. Why is farming important? 6. Which do you prefer, farm life or city life? Why?
Now, please retell the story again in your own words.
That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.